Hey, it's Paul Zweben of the Zweben team of Douglas Elliman. Happy Friday the 20th. What, Parker?
Send it to me.
I'll send it to you. Happy Friday the 28th of August 2020. It is 6:54 a.m. and yep, everybody's awake. Anyway,
Daddy,
Parker, give me a second.
I'm going to leave for you.
You're gonna leave for me. Okay, so 680 Riverside Drive. We had the listing. It's on 145th Street in Riverside Drive. One of the things that I learned about that neighborhood is that the park up there is so beautiful. And there's a restaurant there called Sofrito, and a running track and basketball, and the views of the George Washington Bridge are spectacular. Anyway, we got a buyer during COVID, sight unseen, contract signed. And then the buyer couldn't get a loan. And it was stressful and crazy, and he walked away. And nobody was happy. My seller wasn't happy. We weren't happy. But through hard work, focus, and just us never giving up, I'm proud to say that we are in contract today, Friday, at a higher purchase price than the COVID price. So congratulations to my seller. We just work hard. You want to talk to us about real estate? 917-860-1462. 917-860-1462. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.